Good to the last drop. I had to make this video today because that's literally all that's left of this beard oil. And which beard oil is that? I'm talking about the Woodward by Detroit Grooming. Guys, I just want to talk about this scent a little bit. It is vanilla and mahogany teakwood. So first of all, I want to say the way that I got into this product is I actually won on Josh's channel, Embrace the Beard Life. I won a $50 gift card, so that enabled me to purchase some products at a severely discounted price. So thank you to Josh and thank you to Detroit Grooming for having that giveaway. I really enjoyed this scent. I picked this scent because I like vanilla, but I don't like vanilla on its own. If it was a straight vanilla, I find that vanilla is too strong. And what that mahogany teakwood does is really calm down that sweetness, and then it adds a little bit of, I don't even want to say woodsy because it doesn't smell woodsy. Like, yeah, mahogany's, teakwood's woodsy, but it just really, what it does is it tones down the sweetness. So it just smells like a less sweeter vanilla, which is, I really enjoy this scent. The only thing, my only complaint about this scent, especially considering that they do use fragrance oil in here, so it's not all natural. You know, sometimes all natural oils, the scents don't last as long. They do use fragrance oils in here. I find that just the scent just did not last long enough for me, and the scent, it was so good that I just really wish that it would have lasted longer. Again, this is coming from someone who, like, I don't really like the really strong in your face, like takes 2 hours to get the scent out of my nostrils kind of strong scents. So this is coming from me, that type of person, that this was not strong enough. So that's one thing that I would definitely recommend, is strengthening this scent so that it lasts a little bit longer. Honestly, like maybe an hour, 2 hours is what I got out of it. And you know, my beard is at the length now where I can, you know, smell the beard pretty easily. So when I say it's 2 hours, it's 2 hours. I'm going to toss the ingredients here for you guys so you can check that out. The oil itself on this one, I would say it's very much a light medium, almost a medium weight oil. I don't currently see this oil on their website, but it does go for 28.47 Canadian for 1 ounce. That's what the price for all the other oils seem to be on the website right now. I think that's roughly about $22 US for you folks in the US, which is most of you. Where my Canadian peeps at. Now, the other thing that I purchased from them is the beard butter in the 313. This one I also chose to go with another vanilla scent. This one is a toasted vanilla and amber. So again, that combination of vanilla and woodsy. In terms of scent, guys, this one really disappointed, unfortunately. This one just really smelled a lot like beeswax. Like, smelling it directly out of the bottle and smelling it on my beard, and just it's really just smells beeswaxy to me, which is weird because I did have a look at the ingredients and beeswax is like 5th or 6th down on the list. It goes for $30.95 Canadian for a 2 ounce, which I believe is roughly $25 US. Where this product made up for it was definitely feeling beard. This is one of those butters where as soon as you put it in beard, it almost immediately softens up your beard. While $25 for a 2 ounce butter is a little bit steep compared to a lot of other companies that will sell you a 3.4 ounce, which is perfect for travel, by the way, or a 4 ounce for that price. I do find that this butter is really, it's so good that I probably would pay this much money for a 2 ounce again, just because of the quality of the butter. I just really hope that this was just this, and I would love to purchase from Detroit Grooming again. I'm going to toss the ingredients up here for you guys from the website. This butter, definitely a nourishing butter, not something that's going to be super good at taming the flyaways, but that's not why you're using butter anyway. So just know that this butter does exactly what you want a butter to do. I really like the simplicity of these labels that they have. Anytime a company has like a black on white kind of simple thing, maybe with a little bit of colors, it just looks really nice. I'm gonna pop it on the little new product rotating thingy that I purchased recently. So you can have a look as it rotates here what the beard oil label looks like, followed by what the beard butter presentation looks like, while I continue to talk nonsense so that this B-roll can do its thing. Or I can like maybe put some music on or something, or maybe like it's too late now because the label finished showing itself off. Oh yeah, one more thing that people might be interested in. This feels like a glass bottle, or it could be a hard plastic, I'm not sure. This one is definitely plastic, so if you're wondering what the products come in, that's what they come in. Hey guys, I'm wearing a different shirt because I was recording another video and I just realized I forgot something really important that I did want to say for this Detroit Grooming review. and that's that I did find that the feel-in beard for the oil, like if you're looking to not spend a ton of money, the oil itself is good enough to give you a really nice soft feel-in beard. So if you're looking to spend a little bit of money, you don't really need the butter. The butter will definitely help soften up your beard even more, but the oil does a really good job of that on its own. So I just thought it was worth mentioning, and yeah, I guess we'll carry on. Now you know what to do. Go ahead and make a friend in the comments below. There's a lot of great people down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll stick around for the bloopers. The thing with so first of all, I want to say the way that I got this Joss, I actually went on. I really enjoyed these. I really, and what that mahogany. I don't even want to say woodsy because this doesn't sound. This doesn't. What am I trying to say here?
Perfect.